and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta, and in today's video we are going to dive into InkWell versus GestureDetector. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any my upcoming Flutter tutorial. So let's get started. So what is the purpose of InkWell? So the specifically designed for material design application to provide visual feedback like a ripple effect when tap. Okay, we are using InkWell and key features is provide a ripple effect on interaction to material design guideline must be used inside a material widget to display the ripple effects. Typically used when you need to tap effect that matches material design. What is the common use cases? So, the buttons, tiles, or any interactive UI element in the material design app when visual feedback is required. So for example, if you are using any image, any text, and you can make it tappable, so it's wrapped into a inkwell widget. Okay, so for example, here we are one container. So in the container we are add on tap method, so wrap with inkwell, and using on tap method we are use a print statement. Okay, same gesture detector. So the purpose is a more general purpose widget for detecting gestures such as taps, swipes, long press, drags, etc. So the key features is does not provide any visual feedback by default. Highly customizable and allows detection of complex gestures. Can be used anywhere, not tied to material design. Okay, that is the difference of inkwell and gesture detector. So the common use cases is detecting gestures like swiping, dragging, or scaling when you don't need visual feedback but need a fine control over a gesture handling. Okay, gesture detector example. So here we are using a one container and wrap with a gesture detector. So here we are using a property of on tap method, on long press, okay, and many more methods so we can use using a gesture detector. So the main difference between inkwell and gesture is the visual feedback. So the inkwell is a ripple effect and the gesture detector is not provide any ripple effect. And the inkwell using a material design and gesture is no. Okay. Inkwell is a gesture supported of basic tap, double tap, etc. And gesture is advanced like swap, drag. Okay, and use cases is main of a material design apps, and the gesture is a general purpose gestures. Okay, when to use and what? So the use of inkwell when creating a material design UI with tap feedback. For example, the button, tile, or any element where ripple feedback is required, then we are using a inkwell. And use of gesture detector for custom generals of non-material design UI when handling more complex gestures like a dragging or scaling. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For check our video description for like to a code on GitHub and other related videos. So support help me create more amazing content for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding.